for the pre-recorded lessons, I liked how everything was structured. Everything was easy to follow. It's good that you were able to pause it, so in case you forgot to write anything, you can just go back. And in terms for the lecture notes, although there was a lot to read and there was a lot to retain, everything was easy to follow. Everything was, the structure was really user friendly. It was really easy to engage with.
Did you find that the live lectures helped you with application? Because one of the big things that we're really aiming for, especially in the live sessions, is to bridge that gap between legal theory and legal practice, which really comes with application and advice.
Yeah, it helped me narrow down exactly just how much detail I needed. Of course, it's only one thing knowing, what the legal principles are. But yes, as you say, the application, that's one thing that I really struggled with as well. So knowing just, how you should apply it, especially for the speaking, for the oral exams. I keep saying this, I struggled a lot, and thankfully, with your help, applying it, once I eventually sat the exam, it was sort of more natural for me. It was something that I was more accustomed to, and I was less nervous on how to address it.